Today we're going to be unboxing the IP110H. Here's the box. Not too much to see on here. On the back proves that you could use Bluetooth on this bad boy for all you fancy Bluetooth users. On the side is where you'll find your important information. Use this sticker to find out your UPC and your serial number. And go ahead and use that information to register for the warranty. Let's get into the box, shall we? Now on the top here, you'll have some paperwork, your instruction manual, and warranty registration, just like we talked about a little bit earlier. First little baggie here, you'll have a couple accessories, the USB-C charging cable, and your belt clip. In this box here, you will have your wall adapter for the charger. And last but not least, the beautiful, sleek little IP110H. Let's go ahead and assemble the radio. Starting off with the IP110H itself, let's go ahead and take her out of the plastic. And a couple of accessories in this baggie. Charging cable that does charge via USB-C, and your belt clip. And just for fun, let's go ahead and take the wall adapter out of the bag as well. I'm gonna show you guys how we could assemble the belt clip here. You see a little notch. It is a little bit tricky at first. I had trouble with it personally. That's okay. You wanna get a nail under there and give a little pressure to pull it up. It should come right out. And there's a little latch on the belt clip here. And it'll lock into place. And that is the IP110H all assembled. And I will show you guys charger as well. Charging port is gonna be on the side here labeled USB. Pop that right open and your USB-C will plug right in. And that, my friends, is the beautiful, small, sleek, cute, just like me, IP110H. The IP110H does also have an optional cradle charger, the BC257. Sits right in there just like that, and your radio is charging. The cool thing about this charger is you could actually daisy chain 4 of these together to charge 4 IP110Hs at once. Just pop off the side here and connect them together, kind of like Lego pieces, and charge multiple radios at once, should you have the need to. There are many other recommended accessories that you could get for your IP110H, ranging from headsets to earpieces to speaker mics. I personally like to use headsets just so, not everyone could hear my conversations, but that's just me. Thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing of the IP110H.